It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So you see I have my girl Felicia, also known as the Lamp Queen, up there showing you that hey, something is up with us too. We are doing our monthly collaboration where we will be doing the trash to treasure. So in mine, I decided to take some of the cans that I had left over from some canned goods that my kids had, and I am just painting them after thoroughly cleaning them, guys, with several different colors of the Waverly brand chalk paint. One was in the color moss, the other was in the color plaster, the other was in the color orange, and then the last color was in the color, I want to say it was ink. So all I'm doing is just giving these cans a good coat of this paint, and this will be the base of what I am going to create is a fall planter. This planter will be good for a tablescape. So if you're looking for some fall inspiration, especially for the rustic table, then this may be something that interests you. So guys, while I tell you a little bit about what I'm doing, I want to make sure that you head on over to my girl Felicia at BOK Media Life. Head to her channel after watching this because I can promise you that she is going to knock it out the park with her trash to treasure. If you're looking for good content where you can learn how to create lamps, oh my goodness, Felicia is the lamp queen. We, the Fab Five, have coined that name for her because she can basically create a lamp out of anything. And not just that, she is such a very supportive person, and she supports each and every person that is subscribed to her channel. If you are a content creator, not only that, she's an outstanding cook. Oh my gosh. And let me tell you, if you want someone to narrate a Dollar Tree haul video, oh, she is the one to do that. And there's so much that I can say about Felicia. Felicia is my crafting bestie. She supports me and encourages me more than she can ever realize. I really appreciate her wanting to do this monthly collaboration with me, and I appreciate her so much. But guys, make sure you go over and show her some support on her channel at BOK Media Life. I'm trying to help her reach her goal of 5,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of August, guys. And I know with your support, you can help her achieve that goal. So as you can see, I've taken some of those party little things, those candy dishes that you can find in party wear at the Dollar Tree, and I just put those to the side because I will be adding succulents, little small succulents on the side. And I'm also taking and I've cut down some of those long barbecue skewers, and I am just closing up the sides of this piece just to give it a little more character. And as you can see, I've taken the 2 wood strips that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I just colored them or painted them in that same color, that plaster, and then I gave it a bit of a distressing. And then I had some leftover foam or styrofoam that was in a package that came with something that was purchased. And now I have glued that down, and I am just adding some different fall florals. These florals came from Walmart, they came from Dollar Tree, they came from Michael's. So there's just a vast array of stores where I purchased these flowers from. So if you decide to recreate this piece, make sure you use the florals that you like, because I can't tell you every retail outlet where I bought these florals from, but you just create your planter or your tablescape decor piece using florals that you like. So that's all that I'm doing. I'm just finding a placement for these, and some of these florals I've actually taken, these stems I've taken from other projects that I've created here on the channel, and I am just making, just sticking them in this foam wherever the stem would fit. There was no rhyme or reason. I wasn't even trying to create a floral decor piece, but it just came to me as I was doing this project, and I said, you know what, I'm going with it, because guys, if you are a regular on my channel, you already know that I will change up a design in a minute. If it comes to me, I am going with that design. I do try to create things that are a bit on edge and a big question mark in so many people's eyes, but I absolutely love the way this piece turned out, and I hope that you do. So I need you to make sure you let me know if you like this piece in the comment section of this video. And again, guys, if you have yet to check out my girl Felicia's channel, please make sure you head on over there, show her some support. Her channel name is BOK Media Life. I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. So now we're going to move on to DIY number 2, and this is going to also be a DIY number 3 all in one. So what you see me doing is taking these eyeglass boxes. My kids and my husband had ordered them some new glasses from some company called, I think it was Bloom or something, I can't remember, and Vooloom or something, I don't know. And so I just took some of the jute rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, wrapped this box in the jute rope, added some of that moss on top, and what I'm creating is a pine cone pumpkin using this box. And I'm also creating a smaller version, and what you see me doing is actually taking the burlap flowers and created a flower on one, and just making one a two-sided piece and making it welcome fall and hello autumn. And guys, we're at the reveal. This is what this piece turned out to look like. Now I did go back where you see some of the white styrofoam, and I did end up adding some moss to it, so it covered that up. I did add a little bit more florals to it because this piece it's a really huge piece. And guys, look at this. I think my little pine cone pumpkin turned out very, very cute. And the little burlap florals or sunflower was very cute. And this two-sided sign, hello autumn and welcome fall, I think this is cute as well. Guys, leave in a comment what you think about these projects. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you liked anything that was in this video. And don't forget to head on over to Felicia's channel, BOK Media, show her some support, and tell her crafting bestie Joy said, what's up? Until the next DIY.